Most people get this wrong. They think digital distribution for music is complicated and expensive. But the surprising truth is that Labelworks simplifies the process and empowers independent musicians to reach global audiences. Labelworks is a digital music distribution platform that allows artists and labels to upload their music and distribute it to major stores and streaming platforms like Beatport, Spotify, Apple Music, and more. The setup is straightforward. You create an account, upload your tracks, add artwork and metadata, and select your release date. One standout feature is the analytics dashboard. Labelworks provides insights into sales, streams, and downloads across platforms, helping you understand where your music performs best. You can also manage multiple releases, schedule drops, and handle royalty payouts efficiently. The surprising truth is that Labelworks isn't just for professional labels. It's designed to support independent artists as well. You can start small, release a single track, and scale as your audience grows. Their pricing model is transparent, with no hidden fees, which makes budgeting for releases much easier. Potential limitations include that customer support can be slow during peak times, and some advanced marketing tools require additional services or integrations. However, for pure distribution and royalty management, Labelworks delivers solid value. In conclusion, Labelworks is a reliable, user-friendly platform for musicians and labels who want to distribute music efficiently, track performance, and manage royalties. If you're serious about growing your music career independently, it's worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of tools and platforms for musicians to help you release your music the smart way.